it's Maya from the Hive with my weekly market update. It's beautiful outside and we're certainly feeling spring. In a normal spring market, real estate would just be booming right now. COVID is disrupting things a little bit, but I do have some exciting stats to share with you that looks like we're evening the market out and maybe a little bit optimistic for a good spring-summer market here. Hi, it's Maya. A little bit more detail on our spring market. If we're looking at new listings over the last 3 months, I want you to note that that dashed line is from 1 year ago, so 2019, and here the solid orange line is from 2020. And although we do see a stronger gap between last year's activity and this year's activity, that's looking at spring market. The thing I really want you to note is looking at the weekly data for 2020 and the fact that our market, although it dropped in mid-March as we would have anticipated, we are starting to regain, initially flattened out that loss, but we're actually starting to gain some ground on new listings. All right, just wanted to check in with you guys on pending sales. And pending sales are, again, our properties that are under contract. They've cleared their inspection period and they are just slated to be closed. If we look at the dash line of 2019 and then the solid line at 2020, we do see that 2019 was experiencing a very strong spring market. I do want you to note that although we're behind last year's data for pending sales, we are on an uptick. So we've seen quite a bit of a drop from mid-March until the last 2 weeks we started to flatten out, and again this week we've just got that subtle uptick. Thank you. Hello again, just wanted to talk a little bit about the last 3 months activity as far as inventory. Inventory was a big challenge last year for a lot of folks that were looking to purchase their first home or some of those mid-range family homes, and this year it's no surprise that we continue to have some inventory issues. Properties are beginning to hit the market, as you saw in that last clip that I did. And I wanted to show you that there is a very strong group of buyers that are waiting to purchase homes. In fact, yesterday I wrote 3 offers. 2 of them were in multiple offers. So if you've been considering selling and just thinking about it, I know we've all certainly had some time to tighten up our house and doing some fun projects. If it's time to move on, certainly give me a call. I would love to get your property listed because right now inventory is a challenge and we've got tons of buyers. Thank you.